One simple metal box fundamentally changed our world. Experts overlooked its profound impact for decades. Imagine a world without affordable, diverse products. Before 1956, global trade was incredibly slow and costly. Ships were unloaded by hand, piece by tedious piece. This process led to significant delays and immense waste. Pilferage was rampant, adding to shipping's financial burden. Goods often arrived damaged or were never seen again. Then, one man envisioned a revolutionary solution. For centuries, cargo moved in various shapes and sizes.
Dock workers, known as longshoremen, loaded each item individually.
Known as longshoremen, a typical ship could take days, even weeks to unload. Ports became bottlenecks, hindering rapid global commerce. Businesses struggled with unpredictable delivery schedules. Consumer goods remained costly due to high transportation fees. International trade was limited, benefiting only niche markets. Malcolm McLean, a trucking magnate, saw this problem clearly. He hated waiting for his trucks to be unloaded at ports. McLean realized loading entire truck trailers onto ships was inefficient. Instead, why not just move the box itself? He bought a shipping company, then converted a tanker ship. On April 26, 1956, the Ideal X made its maiden voyage. It carried 58 uniform, rectangular metal containers. This simple idea began a massive global revolution. The initial design needed global standardization for true impact. Different-sized containers would defeat the entire purpose. The International Organization for Standardization, ISO, stepped in. They established uniform container dimensions and locking mechanisms. This crucial standardization allowed seamless intermodal transport. Containers could transfer from ship to train to truck easily. Ports invested heavily in cranes and automated systems. The container became the universal language of global logistics. The shipping container reduced global trade costs dramatically. Experts estimate a 90% reduction in cargo handling expenses. This cost efficiency enabled widespread global manufacturing. Your smartphone, clothes, and even food travel in these boxes. Supply chains became incredibly complex, yet remarkably efficient. It fueled globalization, making products from anywhere accessible. The container transformed economies, creating new industries and jobs. It truly democratized access to goods for billions of people. The humble shipping container, an overlooked invention, transformed everything. Global this commerce is story shows how immeasurable. Simple ideas create monumental change. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.